Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Country girl, big up yourself and the country squad. Like how you are on the country squad, the WhatsApp group. See there. Silent. Big up yourself, you know who me attack. Now, want to clear up some things. Cause you know, say the war I go on a flankers. With rebel man them and Seaview man them. And two things we want to clear up. Cause on the spot media, yeah, me I call him name. Him say that youth here upon the left dirts is a dirty corner boy. I lie my tell. That youth here own a bar in the community. Him used to do a little scamming thing around the road. But he never that, and he was a well-loved man in the community, a flankers, and we're in there. Okay? Now, we are going right to the night, and then go back to them two youths. And now, this lady right here, she was a dressmaker, and me nah advocate to them slap her away, but she was a news carrier, and she was the eye for the youth here, the Dasher man, the second picture. And the man here, them link with the Seaview man them, and Tommy Lee Sparta. Believe it or not. You understand? The man here, the second picture, Dasher man, this lady, Miss Lana, was a dressmaker, but she was a news carrier. So, one of the reasons why them fling her away is because she carry news and make them fling away dirt. You understand? That's the background with the inner working at the thing. You understand? Now, the other vlogger, when he put it out, him kind of like, yeah, the dirty corner boy, them, rare. But that youth at dirt was a decent youth. Him man not angel, but him did get him respect in the community. And him did Lego certain things. Now, the reason why the war jump off is because something go on with one youth. I don't know if he's mad in the community. I'm retarded with dirt. And as so comes, them start pre-dirt. So all dirt's dead. There was a candlelight and him lock up in bar early. And when him lock up in bar early to go over the church, I think it was a church. Can't clarify that, but it was a candlelight. It was not a night, a candlelight, and him lock up in bar early. Forgot the candlelight. The youth, in the third picture, with the ill figure, with the fake ill figure, him tell the youth in the second picture how to get to dirt, and that's how comes dirt get slapped with. You understand? Now, as for Miss Lana, like me say, she's a big woman, me not happy about it, and me not advocate that. But the other vlogger never explained the reason why that happened. She was the eyes for the man them, for the man in a number 2 picture with the money. You understand? And she met them pre-Dirts. So, in a July when that go down, it's because of her. And the youth in the number 2 picture. So, we have put out that thing here to just kind of clear up the information and Dirt and Miss Lana, because we know say, yo, it look bad, she gets slapped with and this and that, but she was a news carrier and a carry news, and you know say, in the ghetto, and in a them place there, if you are bring news on the man them, in a year thing is a problem. Just like a man tell me a story yesterday. Say a you get dash for a cat burn pen, and then the whole of them they are jail. And some man say, yo, one of my virgin get dash for a cat burn pen, you know. No. One youth were there and say, yo, him stand up and say, yo, and my virgin them do it, you know. What do you think happened to him? Can't do them thing there. Have to keep your mouth shut. You understand? Especially when you deal with violence producers. You understand? Now, there's this picture right here with the man then in a black. You see the youth in the black hat? I him fling with Dirts. And I them youth here, a link with Tommy Lee Sparta. The whole of them look like Batman to me, if you ask me. But that's just my opinion. Only have to wait name there. Take that. But yeah, the youth here in the block. The one in the hat, I hold up him finger all the time and him listen to the first picture. And them link with Tommy Lee Sparta. So yo, me I go shut it down, but me I go recap. She, Miss Lana, a big news carrier, and she carried the news pan Dirts and make the man them preem. You understand? The youth here, number 2 picture. Slap down Dirts and the youth there in the number 3 picture. Him inform pan Dirts and make the CV man them know in there. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Silent Rebel, big up yourself. Country Girl, big up yourself. Nuclear Ras, big up yourself. Yo, Country Squad, big up on yourself. Countryman, my out. No, I said like, share, and subscribe, but I wanted to add a footnote to this. Now, like I say, Them youth here are the Seaview man them. The youth in the Black Heart are him kill Dirts. Them are linked with Tommy Lee Sparta. Now, to be fair, when Dirts dead, the man them from the other Sparta crew go on funeral. But the only set of man Tommy Lee Sparta link with in the flankers is them youth there. The Seaview man them in the flankers. Now, that lady here, Miss Lana, she live on the front part, the main road. And like I say, you just have to ask the question, why that happened to her. And some of the things floating out there saying that she is carrying news to the Seaview man them. And carrying news. So it's alleged. So that is what she is alleged to be, a professional news carrier. You understand? So I just want to clear that up. The youth on the left is Dirts, them youth here, Seaview, man them, are them killing. The lady, she get dash way. On the spot media, I say boy Dirts are dirty corner boy, and that's a lie. The man have a bar, the man are doing thing. You understand? Him talk about this lady. It's always innocent to take a life. But Miss Lana, if you learn to keep her mouth shut, you know where you live. You can't two-time the man them in your neighborhood. My name is Countryman. I'm out.